Hey, how's it going, guys? Yuri here, and everybody here has a Honda Ridgeline, but sometimes you have to tow a trailer or some other recreational equipment, and you know, a tongue hitch lock is sometimes not enough. Well, I came across this vibration displacement alarm, which basically, when installed, if someone comes up and kicks it or hits it, it will scream at 113 decibels. So I'm gonna give this a try and see if it's gonna work out, because I'm really close to the road, and other than just removing my wheels to make sure no one takes it away, I mean, anybody could just pull up and steal my trailer. So I just want to see if this is gonna work out, so let's get to it. So inside the case, I'm gonna open it up. We have one remote, the actual sensor and the siren, and then just some tools, some zip ties, screwdriver, and some double-sided tape just for mounting. So let's go ahead and test out how loud this is just as is. So you have to press the lock button, and then it's supposed to beep when it's set. There you go, so now it's set. Now if I touch my truck as an example, it gives off a beep just as a warning, and then I think the second time it'll say and actually activate. So this is going to be interesting to see how it's going to be on the trailer itself. So let's go install it and see if it'll go off and work installed on the trailer. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to go install it with the double-sided tape right there on the breakaway system box. That way it's out of the way and no one can actually see where it is and how to get to it quickly. So hopefully by then, you know, they'll run away and not want to deal with my trailer. Now this is IP55, so it's supposed to be dust resistant and water resistant. So should have no issues with this driving in the future and worrying about it going bad or getting water damage. So that's actually another nice feature about this. Alrighty, so I have that vibration alarm installed and underneath, and so let's go ahead and test it out and see how it works. Now if I just come up and touch it, see if, oh. It's not working, so. And there we have it. And that is quite loud, so maybe I might not hear it inside the house, but maybe a neighbor or somebody who's trying to steal this would probably at least get scared off. A neighbor might hear that and kind of come out and look. So I think this is actually very effective, because let's try that again. I'm honestly not doing much. Let's lock it again. Let's kick it a little bit. That was a light kick and it registered that. So again, let's just try and pick this up. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is extremely effective, I think. This will help deter people from stealing this trailer, I believe. So if you guys are looking at getting something for your trailers, maybe even for your truck, I don't know, this might be something that you might be interested in looking at. It's very inexpensive. I think it was like 20 bucks. And I think for just the added security, I think this is a good addition. So anyways, hope you guys enjoy this video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching.